OpenTeleHealth Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of OpenTeleHealth, a telehealth platform designed for healthcare providers who want to remotely monitor patients' vital signs and health data. OpenTeleHealth is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for clinics, hospitals, and even governments seeking to scale remote care. What sets it apart is that it works across different devices. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or dedicated medical equipment, it connects seamlessly. It's a cloud-based platform, meaning both patients and healthcare professionals can access it from anywhere, which is great for home monitoring and reducing hospital visits. Let's talk features. The platform supports a wide range of devices for tracking blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen saturation, weight, and more. Patients can easily upload their data, which doctors can access in real time. One standout feature is the alert system. Healthcare providers receive automatic notifications if a patient's readings are abnormal, allowing for immediate action. This is crucial for chronic disease management or post-surgical follow-ups. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, with customizable data views and filters, so doctors can focus on the most important metrics. For administrators, there are useful reporting tools enabling easy access to patient trends and data analysis. Now, who is this platform really for? OpenTeleHealth is best suited for healthcare providers managing large patient populations, especially those with chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or COPD. It's not exactly for individual patients unless they're part of a healthcare system that uses it. For small practices, this could be overkill. But for institutions looking to streamline remote care, it's incredibly effective. The platform is scalable, meaning it can grow with your needs, from small community clinics to large-scale hospital systems. In terms of pricing, it's more cost-effective compared to custom telehealth solutions, but it does have a subscription model, which may not be suitable for smaller operations with tight budgets. In summary, OpenTeleHealth excels at remote patient monitoring for healthcare professionals who need reliable, real-time data. If you're in a position where remote care is key to your operations, it's worth considering.